Hi guys, my name is Mary and I'm here again for another product vlog, and I'm here to tell you about this Iso-C. So this is actually from Iso-C. So this is a peel-off cream. So it will make your skin brighter and softer and smoother. So I've been trying this on my skin and I could see here that this is actually very nice. So it contains niacinamide. So this is actually an exfoliating whitening gel. So again, it whitens, it brightens, and it peels off the dead skin layer of our skin. So dead skin cells talaga yung pinipeel off niya. Very nice. So makikita mo yung consistency niya. So this will peel right away. Kung makikita nyo, very soft ng liquid niya. Ayan o, nararamdaman ko na yung pagpipil. So it will give you an instant brightening effect, since yung dead skin cells ng skin natin is pinipil off niya agad. Of course, this is gently. So non-drying siya. So hindi siya nag-dry sa balat kahit na nag-peel siya. So again, yung surface level lang ng skin natin yung pinipil off niya. Maganda to sa mga darkest places ng body natin, katulad ng singit, tuhod, armpits. Ito siya. Ito yung itsura ng aking siko. And if I'm going to have a peel off on a dead skin cells sa area na to, makikita nyo talaga yung result. Ayan siya. So, nakita nyo, nag-peel off agad yung dead skin cells. Difference kanina at ngayon, medyo nag-lighten siya agad. And again, this is a gentle peel off cream that will give your skin an instant brighter and lighter look. Okay. So, you can try it out and you can check it out for a basket for this one.